Hello iTechnology reviewers, today we're gonna watch this review on 38-inch. So we're gonna review the 6th generation Samsung Smart LED. This is a big screen TV of 121 centimeters in diagonal and with quad-core processor and smart hub, and it's in full HD 3D. It has some new features, some cool features. We're gonna talk about everything there is about this TV. So for unboxing, there is not so much to talk about because in this box you'll find the TV, the support, the spider support, the remote control, and some cool adapter which you can connect it by jack and control by the same remote your home cinema systems or your Blu-ray player or something else if you want to use just a remote control with these special buttons here. Let me show you. So let's talk about pretty quick about the feature of this big screen TV. The screen type is flat. You have 2D to 3D converter. You have 200 Hz. So it has a TV tuner DVB-C and DVB-T. The TV tuner type is analog and digital. It's a smart TV. It has a smart hub and a time shift function on the smart hub. The sound of this TV is great because it has a loudspeakers in it. It doesn't have a subwoofer integrated, but it doesn't need to if you have a home cinema system. It supports Dolby Digital. It has 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports. It has a video component, RGB, in digital audio optical out, a SCART port. What is great about this TV, it has an integrated Wi-Fi and it supports without a dongle, it supports screen mirroring directly. If you don't connect the TV by a wire in the LAN port, you can connect directly your phone by Wi-Fi Direct with the integrated antenna. We're going to talk about the performance and I'm going to show you. This is the disadvantage. Samsung says quad-core, but in the menu you will see a delay. Another cool feature is the football mode. It enhances the color picture and the sound. So you can do replays, I'm going to show you. You can do replays or even freeze the image to a section of the picture that you like. Unfortunately, this TV didn't came with glasses. So a pair of glasses is not that expensive. You can, with $30, you can purchase a nice pair of glasses, 3D glasses for this TV. Okay, now let's look at the TV and I'm going to show you everything there is in the menu and the picture quality. So we push the power button. It says Smart TV, first image. Okay. So in the remote control we have channel list, and when we press channel list you can see all the channels here and you can watch them. So let's go to, I don't know, a music channel and give you a sample of how great this TV sounds. And now I want to show you a small sample of the sound. I take off my lavalier and I will put it here just to hear you the loudspeakers. And even at the maximum volume the sound still is great. What I wanted to tell you in the beginning of this review is when I press with the remote control, it has a delay, it's not that fast. So I have a TV 3D that isn't a smart TV, it's a 3D TV. It's smaller, but in the menu it works quicker, the remote control, more quicker. A couple of days ago a new update came on, and I think it's 2779, something like this. I will update it with you guys and see if the TV goes a little bit quicker because it has a quad core. I had a great expectation at this chapter. Despite this, the picture quality, it's great, it's awesome, it's Samsung. There are not, in this whole world, there are not a lot of displays that equals the color and the clarity of Samsung displays, even at phones. So let's see. In the menu, in the first menu, you will have the same old features. It's nothing new. Here you can flip the motion rate to 200 Hz, or the smooth is the best motion of the picture. You have all that things. I leave it to auto, the digital clean view and the ambient noise filter, because if you have some bugs, some noise on the cable, it will dim it. Of course, you got to have a clean signal 100%. And I will show you something interesting. When you hold, let's focalize, when you hold in the remote control the info button in every TV Samsung, it will give you a display on the TV. Let's see, come on. You have to hold it a long time. Let's see. Okay, the signal information. This is a cool feature because it tells you how is the strength of the signal. As you can see, my signal is 100% and the quality is 100%. So I don't have imperfections or any noise of the image. Okay. A cool feature on this TV that other TVs don't have is the 3D. It supports Full HD P, not E, you know, interlaced and progressive. So this TV supports progressive scan. This is a cool feature because there are not a lot of editing software, video editing software that supports progressive at the Full HD. It only supports 720p. So most movies that you purchase are very cleared of 24p by channel. So this one supports Full HD 50p. This one is the same. If you know Samsung menus, there are not a lot of changes made in the picture section. In the sound section, I told you about the loudspeakers, the DTS True Surround. It has a 5.1 surround in optical. You can use it in home cinema with optical wires. This is a new sound share settings, a new thing from Samsung. You can add here a Samsung audio device. I don't know if it is by Bluetooth or by Wi-Fi. In most cases, it's Wi-Fi. It's an integrated Wi-Fi. I think if you have a Wi-Fi device, you can already connect with sound share. So you won't use a wire. On the broadcasting, some website says that this TV has 2 tuners, some websites 3 tuners, digital tuners, 4 with the analog tuner. A cool feature from Samsung, you can transfer the channel list to a USB stick and I don't know, save it to your PC, and then if you have any troubles or you arrange your software, you can easily edit or retransfer to your TV the channels. Channel lock, you can lock your channels. Is very good, this option, because if you have, I don't know, porn channels, you're an adult, you want to watch, you can lock it from your kids with a code. You can use a PIN code and that channel will be locked. It's very useful for your kids. The common interface, the channel settings. Here you can transfer in channel settings, transfer channel list. It's a very fine setting. In the network status, direct Wi-Fi, you can use it to connect it directly to with your phone, not with screen mirroring. But you know, Wi-Fi Direct has the most mobile phones, so you don't need specially LAN wire. Okay, now I'm connected to the internet and I can use the smart hub as I want. You have to log in with a Samsung account. You have to, I don't know, download the application. Mine was by default application. Immediately we'll go in the Smart Hub and see the applications. What I like, I told you the football mode, you can activate it by this button on the remote or straight in the menu. Universal remote setup. Here is the where I showed you in the beginning of the tutorial, a small transmitter, that round transmitter, if you want to use a Blu-ray and you want to control it by one remote from these buttons. This is where you're going to get into the setup, and start connecting the ER cable. Tell Samsung what device do you have. It has Sony, Technics, Panasonic, I don't know, a lot of brands. And Samsung with that ear transmitter, it will let you control with one remote that whole Blu-ray player or I don't know, a home theater 5.1 system.